Expert strategies for modern job seekers and insights for 2025 employment trends. Let us guide you through the evolving landscape of recruitment and staffing. The employment landscape has transformed dramatically in recent years. Over 70 million Americans hired through staffing firms annually. Significant rise of hybrid, temporary, and gig work opportunities since 2020. 1 in 5 jobs expected to be filled via agencies in 2025. Hidden job market. 60% of employment opportunities aren't publicly posted, making them invisible to traditional job seekers. Resume automation barriers. Applicant tracking systems filter out approximately 75% of resumes before they reach human reviewers. A staffing agency serves as a strategic intermediary that connects qualified job seekers with employers seeking talent. Core services include temporary placements, direct hire opportunities, temp-to-hire positions. Generalist agencies offer placements across a wide range of sectors and industries, providing broad market coverage. Niche agencies focus on specialized fields such as IT, healthcare, finance, or engineering with deep industry expertise. Executive search specialized in C-suite and leadership placements with extensive networks and confidential searches. Resume submission. Job seeker submits resume and completes initial application and assessment. Screening and matching. Recruiters evaluate qualifications and match candidates to suitable positions. Interview and placement. Agency schedules interviews with employers and manages the entire placement process. Faster hiring. Companies fill positions 41% faster on average when working with staffing agencies. Cost reduction. Businesses typically save 30% on recruiting and HR-related expenses. Flexibility gain. Enhanced ability to adapt to business cycles and seasonal demands with 25% improvement. Exclusive access to unadvertised positions and hidden job market. Professional resume and CV feedback from industry experts. Personalized interview coaching and preparation. Significantly increased visibility with top-tier employers. Insider knowledge about company culture and expectations. Traditional search, 10+ weeks. The average job search takes 3+ months through conventional methods. Agency placement, 2 to 4 weeks. Agencies leverage existing relationships with hiring managers for expedited placement. Working with staffing agencies significantly expands your professional connections. Each placement creates new relationships with employers and industry peers. Many temporary roles, 47%, convert to full-time offers through internal referrals. Recruiters often become long-term career advocates as you progress. Job loss. Unexpected layoff creates resume gap. Agency placement. Temporary role provides continuity. Skills development. New experience builds confidence. Career relaunch. Stronger profile for permanent roles. Low-risk career exploration. Staffing agencies provide unique opportunities to experience multiple industries and job types without long-term commitment. Discover unexpected strengths and talents in new environments. Build a diverse skill portfolio that enhances long-term employability. Test cultural fit before committing to permanent positions. Direct hire. Immediate placement into permanent employment with full benefits and company onboarding. Temporary. Short-term assignments with flexible end dates, ideal for gaining experience or filling employment gaps. Temp-to-hire. Trial period allowing both employer and candidate to evaluate fit before permanent commitment. Resume enhancement. Recruiters provide targeted feedback to optimize your resume for specific industries and positions. Interview preparation. Personalized coaching on company-specific interview questions and presentation strategies. Salary negotiation. Expert guidance on compensation expectations and negotiation tactics based on market data. Insider knowledge. Company culture insights not available to general public. Interviewer preferences and decision-making styles. Hiring manager priorities beyond the job description. Market intelligence. Current in-demand skills specific to your industry. Regional salary and compensation trends. Emerging job categories and qualification requirements. Health insurance. Many agencies offer medical, dental, and vision coverage for contractors and temporary employees. Retirement plans. 401k and retirement savings options that travel with you between assignments. Paid time off. Accrued vacation and sick leave benefits that provide stability during contract work. Administrative efficiency. Staffing agencies handle all the tedious employment paperwork. Comprehensive onboarding documentation. Payroll processing and tax withholding. Benefits enrollment and administration. Employment verification and background checks. Contract negotiation and offer management. Company culture. Experience daily workplace dynamics firsthand before committing long-term. Team dynamics. Assess potential colleagues and management styles through real collaboration. Work content. Determine if the actual responsibilities match your career aspirations. Work-life balance. Evaluate realistic expectations for hours, flexibility, and boundaries. The traditional search experience. Sending applications into the void without feedback. Uncertainty about qualifications and fit. Long periods without communication. Self-doubt and isolation during the process. The agency advantage. Regular updates on application status. Targeted opportunities matching your profile. Constructive feedback after interviews. Emotional support from dedicated recruiters. Emerging skills identification. Agencies track industry trends and can recommend specific skill development opportunities before they become mainstream requirements. Training resources. Many agencies offer free or discounted access to professional development courses, certifications, and workshops. Market intelligence. Regular insights about which industries are growing and where demand for talent is increasing. Sarah's management journey. Started as a 6-month temp in operations, impressed leadership with process improvements, and earned a permanent role. Within 18 months, promoted to team leader managing 5 direct reports. Michael's career restart. After a 3-year parenting gap, struggled with traditional applications. Agency placed him in a project role that leveraged his previous experience, leading to a senior position that exceeded his pre-gap salary. Industry expertise. Select agencies with proven experience in your specific field or desired industry. Placement success. Research their track record with metrics like placement rates and client retention. Benefits package. Compare healthcare, retirement, and PTO offerings between different agencies. Reputation. Check online reviews, testimonials, and ask for references from past candidates. Best practices for agency success. Respond promptly to communications within 24 hours. Be transparent about your career goals and salary expectations. Update your resume regularly with new skills and accomplishments. Provide constructive feedback after interviews and assignments. Maintain contact even when employed to build a long-term relationship. Refer qualified colleagues to strengthen your professional network. AI-powered matching. Advanced algorithms will create more precise candidate job matches based on skills, experience, and workplace preferences. Hybrid work models. Agencies will specialize in placing talent in flexible arrangements combining remote and in-office experiences. Skills-based hiring. Shift from credential-focused to competency-based recruitment with real-time assessment tools. Candidate experience. Enhanced focus on personalized journeys with concierge-level support throughout the employment lifecycle. Identify your priorities. Define your career goals, desired work environment, and non-negotiable requirements. Research agencies. Find staffing partners specializing in your field with strong reviews and placement success. Prepare your materials. Update your resume, portfolio, and professional profiles before initial contact. Schedule consultation. Contact us at staffing@example.com or 555-123-4567 to begin your personalized career journey.